look at the kind of warmth the Holiday Inn Express guys have given us. This is Holiday Inn Express. These are the people who run Holiday Express, and for them, 3 cheers. Hip hip. Good morning guys. I'm like ready, all set to leave, but अच्छा नहीं लग रहा निकलने के लिए. मतलब 2 दिन was like superb, so awesome. But क्या करें यार, tomorrow onwards there's work and there are a lot of other things to actually finish off. But I'll tell you something. You know, we 4 of us being here, I mean, we were 5. Manchwa Banda had to return back, but we 4 of us over here enjoyed this whole journey like anything. And it's going to be a memory, trust me. And here he is. I think, well, I mean, we are going to create more memories. Yeah.
Absolutely.
I mean,
we are gonna. I mean, this is just the first of the big memory.
Yeah.
जो planning और जो detailing लगता है, guys, I was an eyewitness. Believe me, मेरे को लगता था कि यार ये क्या vlog ऐसा random video shots. No, but they plan यहाँ जाना है just so that you all can learn or see, understand about a place before going there, और you know छोटी छोटी डिटेलिंग की यहाँ पर ये खाना मिल जाएगा, इतना रिमोट लोकेशन है, बाइक का पार्किंग से लेके हेलमेट, एवरीथिंग वाज कवर्ड. यू सी, दैट इज व्हाट प्रजीत इज. दैट इज व्हाट प्रजीत इज. Guys, hats off. I really you know, these people also need a lot of gears, equipments. They are selflessly spending so much money of their hard-earned money, and I'm telling you, Prajeet leaves no stone unturned. आप लोग के व्लॉग देखने के लिए प्रजीत गोज एकदम आउट ऑफ द वे. और जो 4-5 जन हमने स्टार्ट करी, हमारा जर्नी कैसा था. 2 यंगस्टर्स, मतलब प्रजीत और शांतनु जो रिटर्न हो गया, 30 इयर्स के लड़के हैं दोनों, और बाकी हम सारे सीनियर सिटीजन्स, आई मस्ट से 42 इयर्स. बट स्टिल या वी ऑल कुड जेल. जो बॉन्डिंग हुआ है, जो ब्रदरहुड हमने देखा है, एवरीबडी वाज विथ एवरीबडी, नो मैन लेफ्ट बिहाइंड. हमने सब सीजन में राइडिंग करी, रेंज भी हमने देखा. I don't know, you could capture some rain shots?
I couldn't capture rain shots because it was mostly dark.
Yeah.
When it was raining, it was mostly dark, and I was like wanting to keep all the stuff inside, and that's why I didn't shoot the rain stuff. But I know I missed that point of.
No, we were not prepared for the rains.
Correct.
Right? और फिर भी हमें 2 नाइट कल भी शाम को हमें बारिश में भाग के आना पड़ा. चोरों की तरह भाग के आए हम, सेफ और सूखे. और परसों भी ऐसे ही हुआ. हमने सिटी राइडिंग भी किया, हम अब ऑफ रोडिंग भी गए. और आई डोंट नो, मेरे पास ऐसा गोप्रो एक था नहीं तो प्रजीत was doing like those GS stunts on his Harley, so that he could reach that location. इतना off-roading लेके गया बाइक, so you all could enjoy.
Correct. So there is one thing about off-roading which I understand, which is you stand on the bike and you ride. It's much better than sitting because you're not taking those shocks on your bums. So better you stand, and the bike becomes much more smoother to be able to get through those off roads. So yeah, मतलब मजा आता है यार करने में. I was like enjoying off-roading yesterday. But anyway, the whole point over here is this 3 days. I mean, this is the 3rd day. Amazing. It was amazing. अगर आप लोग सीधा ये एपिसोड देख रहे हो तो वापस -2 में जाओ मत. दैट इज पर एपिसोड नंबर 1. स्टार्ट से देखो हमने क्या किया है. इट वाज रियली नाइस. व्हाट आई एम गोना डू इज, व्हाट वी आर गोना डू इज, वी आर लीविंग फ्रॉम हियर. दिस इज नासिक Holiday Inn Express. We will try taking drone shots in between as well. That's our goal. And yes, then we will have to disperse from there. But whatever it is, अब निकलता हूँ मैं और फिर बाद में वापस कैमरा.
One more thing, guys, please subscribe, because I know what he is planning already for you all next week. But I will not break the surprise, right? I want you to watch the way he uploads. I know, but he is doing something very nice. Every weekend he's planning and going to make a vlog for you. Enjoy watching.
Thank you. we're leaving right now. Look at the kind of warmth the Holiday Inn Express guys have given us. This is Holiday Inn Express. These are the people who run Holiday Express, and for them, 3 cheers. Hip hip. Hooray. Hip hip. Hooray. Hip hip. Hooray. Oh, thank you so much. The hospitality was amazing. Thank you so much guys. Thank you team. Time to say goodbye to Nashik city. मज़ा आ गया था. 3 days were wonderful. This is the 3rd day. 2 days were wonderful, and hoping the 3rd day also would be wonderful. What a lovely weather. Zabardast. I mean, the breeze is like nice and cool. Super sexy. Look at that road. Straight, सीधा 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 सीधा. मस्त लग रहा है यार. अभी जो आप लोगों ने ड्रोन शॉट देखा एकदम सीक्रेट लोकेशन में हम लोग एंड इट वाज फाउंड बाय रिंकू. he saw it somewhere. He's like there is this location where we have to go and take drone shots. मैंने बोला चलो देखता हूँ ढूंढता हूँ. ढूंढ के we found this place और ड्रोन शॉट. आई एम श्योर यू गाइस लव्ड इट. वो ट्रेन के शॉट्स, वो हाई शॉट्स और ये पूरा पानी वाले शॉट्स मस्त था, ज़बरदस्त था. अभी नेक्स्ट स्टॉप सीधा मुंबई ना. वी नॉट गोना स्टॉप. One fuel stop in between.
Probably one tea break.
Tea break. I also want one tea. एक टी ब्रेक के लिए अगेन आई स्विच ऑन द कैमरा. तब तक आप लोग रोड एंजॉय करो. और आपको तो पता ही है बादल हमारे फेवरेट. बादल एंजॉय. हाँ,
बादल, मौसम और रास्ता.
बादल, मौसम और रास्ता एंजॉय करो. मौसम शायद मैं आपको फीलिंग माइक के थ्रू दूंगा मौसम का. बाकी आप देख लो यार. The weather seems to be so good right now in Igatpuri. We are at Igatpuri right now because it's in high altitude. The weather is spectacular, really nice. एकदम ठंडी ठंडी हवा आ रही है, ज़बरदस्त. अपने इरफान भाई, ट्रायम्फ के इरफान भाई ट्रायम्फ चला रहे. ट्रायम्फ बॉर्नविल T120 with hazard lights on. फ्यूल अप. इसके आगे वहाँ पे फूड एक्सप्रेस है, वहाँ पे चाय भी पी लेते हैं. हाँ, जो भी है यहीं पे ख़त्म करके फिर सीधा मुंबई. दे रहा सामने HP इज दिस. वहाँ पे फूड एक्सप्रेस है. ओके, सो वी आर डन विथ अ चाय एंड ऑल सेट टू लीव. नाउ नेक्स्ट स्टॉप इज डायरेक्टली झील दर्शन, मेरा बिल्डिंग. एंड लीविंग राइट नाउ. रिंकू ऑल गुड? रिंकू ने तो पूरा खाना ही खा लिया. मैं रिंकू केपी क्यों करो. ओके, केपी ने पूरा खाना ही खा लिया. एंड वी आर लीविंग राइट अवे. अब सीधा रोड भी नहीं दिखाऊंगा, सीधा मिलेंगे हवाई में. Alright, so episode 3 is over. Forget episode 3. The whole series is getting over right now. We are at Powai. We're done with this whole trip. And I want to ask you all, yeah. I mean, he already told his feelings
You can tell
in the
again.
morning.
You can say again whatever
It
you
was fantastic.
Fantastic, right?
Great experience.
Yeah.
Amazing experience out of the world. Beautiful companionship. Fantastic safe ride. Good guidance. Brotherhood. Good weather.
Everything.
Enjoyed.
Perfect. Yes, KP bro.
Absolutely good. It was a great vacation, you can say. It was nice to know project in there. We had a lot of good time and look forward to have many such occasions.
Yeah.
And I'll miss these moments always.
For
Till
sure.
we ride to north now.
Yes.
The next plan, ride to north.
Next plan very soon. Yes, so that's it. I'm ending the series, I'm ending the vlog right here. I don't want to end this, but can't help it. Yeah, there are other stuff to do as well in life. Till then, until next ride, next Tuesday, 6 p.m. we have Mining Minds.
Ciao. Watch Mining My. Subscribe.
Thank you.
Subscribe.
Cheers.